Hey everyone, how you guys doing? So in this video I'm going to discuss how you can use MongoDB Atlas to host your MongoDB live on the cloud. So you have to visit mongodb.com and click on start free. So now I can sign up via Gmail or manually. So I'm doing that for learning purposes. Add email, my first name, last name, password. So I really like MongoDB.com because it allows me to create a free cluster as well. And this is really good for like students and for professional developers as well, so that they don't have to attach their credit card right away. Like they can start free, and then when the data grows and when the user base grows, then they can uh, obviously shift towards the paid plans. So I'm gonna choose the shared cluster right here. I don't need dedicated cluster or dedicated multi-region clusters. I just need a free cluster. I have to choose an option provider. AWS is, I think, the best one. And always remember, choose the region which has star with it, because these are the recommended regions. Okay, and create cluster. Yeah, now my cluster is being created, but I have to perform like few steps. So these are the steps. I have to create a database user. I have to whitelist my IP address, and then I have to connect to the database. Like add new database user. I have to specify the username will be Huzaifa. The password. I can specify the privileges as well, and this user can be temporary. So this is set up. Okay, now I have to whitelist the IP address. Go to the network tab. In there I can add the IP address of my backend. If I've hosted my backend on the AWS and that backend has a dedicated IP address, I can add that, so that all the requests from that particular IP will be fulfilled. And but for now I will allow access from anywhere, so this will be 0.0.0.0/0. So this will allow all the requests from any IP address. You can load sample data as well, but don't worry about it. So actually this is my cluster is being created, so I'm gonna pause my video and then resume when it is created. Then I can show you how you can connect that. So as you can see, my cluster is created, so I can load sample data set. I've already done it. You can do it by clicking on this button, then clicking on load sample dataset. It will, and then clicking on OK button, it will load the sample dataset. If you have to connect that with your Node.js application or MongoDB Compass, you can do it this way. Like connect to MongoDB Compass, it shows you this. Click on copy, go to the MongoDB Compass, click on new connection, paste that, write the password of the user you have just created. So yep, it is being connected. As you can see, these are the databases. MongoDB training. As you can see, like this is the free tier, but still it has a lot of data in it. Like this is a sample data set that I have loaded, so you can view that in multiple types. Okay, so these are the sample databases that are being loaded. So this is pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.